Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya and you're watching Shreya's Lifestyle. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do makeup without using foundation, blush and a highlighter. So let's get started. I have just cleaned my face with a face wash and I just moisturized my face. So I did not record it. Everybody knows how to put a kajal. So this is my NYX kajal. I have used this and this is really very smooth. Next, so I will use my Ardell eyelash curler and I'll just curl my eyelashes. I will use L'Oreal Volume Million Mascara in the shade Noir. This is very good. Make sure you use a good coat of your mascara because it will really give dense and long lashes. And also use the mascara on your lower lashes as well because it gives a total dense look to your eyes. Otherwise it only seems that you have only upper lashes and no lower lashes. So next I will use my Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in number 4. So I will just use the orange shade, just this shade. This shade used my Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Dragon Scales just to lighten up my inner corners. This one, this shade, and I hope everybody knows how to lighten up the inner corners. So I have just lightened up my inner corners and my eyebrows. And I'm using my H&M eyebrow pencil, but you can nowhere see the name anymore because it's really over and I use it to Kills lip balm. As I told that I won't be using any blush or highlighter, so I'm using my Kills lip balm as a highlighter. You can use any lip balm you have at your home. Even if you have a Vaseline, you can put it. Just need to take a and just put it on the bridge of the nose, your high cheekbones. Just look at the sheen. Oh Sugar in the shade Jelly Glee 6. This is the color. It's basically a lip tint, but I'll use it as a blush. Just natural process. These are certain hacks used, like a Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. You can also use any lip balm, lip tints, anything. So okay guys, so if you like my video then please do like it and do share it with your friends, your family, and let me know in the comment sections below how do you like it, and do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.